Yes, students. Today we will discuss in detail electronic configurations of lanthanoids. Now see in this periodic table, in fifth row means fifth period, what is the last element? Xenon. Atomic number 54. Electronic configuration of xenon is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s2, 4p6, 4d10, 5s2, 5p6. Now in these all orbitals, any orbital is pending, any orbital is not filled, which is supposed to be filled? Yes, 4f orbital is there, which is not filled. After that, a next element in sixth row, means sixth period, is cesium. Atomic number 55. In cesium, 4f orbital is in competition. Next, which orbital is there? After 5p, which should be there? 5d should be there. That is in also competition. So 3 orbitals are there in the competition. Every orbital is with its own pros and cons. 4f orbital, it has less number of nodes because it started, just now started. It's the first ever 4f orbital. Okay. Next, 5d orbital is little bit away from the 4f orbital, but it has more number of nodes compared to 4f orbital because d set of orbital started from third shell, 3d, 4d, and now 5d. So d orbital is somewhat experienced. It can pay little more attention to the nucleus compared to 4f orbital. So distance point of view, 5d is little away, but penetration point of view, 5d is in favor to the nucleus, near to the nucleus. Now let us see the next orbital, 6s orbital. 6s orbital is further away, but genesis point of view, history point of view, influence point of view, it is near to the nucleus because it has good penetration ability. It is not the first s orbital. S orbital started from first shell, 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, and now it is what? 6s. So it can penetrate excellently towards what? The nucleus. So though it is away, penetration is what? Strong one. So distance and penetration, all the things to be made what? Clear. Energetics should be clear. Whichever orbital has a low energy, that orbital will be filled. Now what in reality happens among those three? So electron in cesium enters in 6s orbital. Which is which electron? 55th electron. Now next element is barium. Atomic number 56. Same story repeats. Competition is between these three orbitals, 4f, 5d and 6s. Again, 6s wins the race. 6s is the most suitable. See, as the atomic number changes, the energy level also changes. Up to barium, okay, we can consider 6s orbital is suitable. Now next element, atomic number 57, that is lanthanum. Here story is different. People thought ideally, generally, it is in transition series elements, no? So electron should enter in the d orbital. So among these, which orbital is available d orbital? 5d orbital. So what will be the electronic configuration for lanthanum, xenon? 4f, no electrons, 5d, 1 electron, and 6s, 2 electrons. Now question you will be with, among these 5d and 6s, whose energy is lower? Surprisingly, 5d orbital energy is lower. All those three were in competition. So exactly what happens that I tell to you, as I discussed three orbitals and the competition for f orbital, 5d orbital and 6s orbital. For lanthanum, where 57 protons are there in nucleus, compared to 6s, after xenon I am talking, for 55th electron in lanthanum, for 55th electron, 5d orbital is suitable. So 1 electron enters in the 5d orbital. Afterwards, if any electron tries to enter over there, then this is not suitable orbital. 5d orbital is not suitable for next electron. Then electron will search suitable orbital, most suitable orbital. So most suitable orbital for that electron is 6s. So 56th electron enters in 6s and 57th electron enters in 6s. So what is the electronic configuration for the lanthanum? Xenon, 4f0, 5d1 and 6s2. People thought this 5d1, 6s2 is an ideal configuration. Accordingly, they expected electronic configuration of lanthanoids. So what is their expectation? 54 electron as were there in xenon. Then 55th electron will be in 5d orbital. 56th electron in 6s orbital. 57th electron in 6s orbital. Afterwards, whichever electron will come, that electron will prefer 4f orbital. Energetically, they thought f orbital is lower in energy compared to the others. Now, there is a turn of f orbital. So, after this 3 electron entry, 1 in 5d, 2 in 6s, the next electrons will enter in f orbital. Likewise, for cerium, what the ideal electronic configuration? Yes, xenon. Afterwards, 4f1, first electron in f orbital now, 5d1, 6s2. Praseodymium, xenon, 4f2, 5d1, 6s2. Neodymium, xenon, 4f3, 5d1, 6s2. Promedium, xenon, 4f4, 5d1, 6s2. Samarium, xenon, 4f5, 5d1, 6s2. Likewise, for remaining lanthanoids, electronic configuration will be there. Last lanthanoid, who is last? Lutetium. What is atomic number of lutetium? 71. So what is electronic configuration? Xenon, 4f14, 5d1, 6s2. Means what? For all lanthanoids, 5d1, 6s2 is common electronic configuration. Only number of electrons are changing in 4f orbital. Now, how to remember this ideal electronic configuration? I give you one hint for that. The rule is, for ideal electronic configuration, take atomic number minus 57, whatever number comes, those electrons will be there in 4f orbital. Remaining electrons will be in which orbital? 5d and 6s orbital. So while entering electron will enter in the 4f, then 5d and then 6s. But number will be according. For example, terbium. For terbium, what was our image? Living thing for terbium, related thing? Yes, TB patient. What was related to TB patient? Non-living thing? Cash. So cash means what will be its atomic number? Terbium atomic number? C means 6. A, no particular number. S means 5. 65 is atomic number for terbium. So 65 minus which number I said? 57. 65 minus 57. What is answer? 8. Those electrons will be there in f orbital, remaining in 5d and 6s. What is electronic configuration of terbium? Xenon 4f8 5d1 6s2. Okay, one more example let us consider. Praseodymium. What is the atomic number of praseodymium? What was the image living thing for praseodymium? Actor pran. And related to pran, what was there? Signature. Signature means what is atomic number? S means 5, I no particular number, G means 9. Yes, 59 is atomic number for praseodymium. So atomic number minus 57. What is answer? 2. So those many electrons will be there in 4f orbital. So electronic configuration for praseodymium will be xenon 4f2 5d1 6s2. Now one more, last element let us discuss for ideal electronic configuration. Holmium. Holmium, what was the living image for the holmium? Horse. And what was the non-living thing? Ct. Ct means what is the atomic number of holmium? C means 6, I no number, T means 7. 67 is atomic number for holmium. So what will be its electronic configuration? 67 minus 57 is equal to 10. 10 electrons will be there in 4f orbitals. So electronic configuration for holmium, xenon 4f10 5d1 6s2. Likewise, you can write the electronic configuration for the all lanthanoids. That electronic configuration is ideal electronic configuration, which is represented here. Ideal electronic configuration for all lanthanoids. It is general electronic configuration. Now, let us discuss actual or observed electronic configuration. Electronic configuration is not a one-sided game. It is a multitask oriented game. Every time energy fluctuation, energy changes may be there, accordingly electronic configuration will be there. So in reality, what is electronic configuration for the lanthanoids, that we will discuss. Say first element. What is the first element? Lanthanum. Before lanthanum, what was happening? In case of barium, electrons were there in 6s orbital, 6s2. Here complete scenario changes. After xenon, xenon means 54 atomic number. After 54 electron, 55th electron enters in 5d orbital, especially here in lanthanum. Which orbitals are there for computation? For f orbital, 5d orbital and 6s orbital. Though for barium electrons were there in 6s orbital, here after xenon 55th electron will enter in 5d orbital. For 56th electron, 4f orbital, 5d orbital and 6s orbital. Among that it has to choose one orbital, whichever is most suitable. It is found, practically it is found, that 6s orbital is suitable for 56th electron, and for 57th electron also 6s orbital is suitable. It is reality based electronic configuration, energetic based electronic configuration. So what is electronic configuration for lanthanum? Xenon 4f0 5d1 6s2. Next element, cerium, atomic number 58. So what happens in case of cerium? Up to xenon 5p orbital is over, 54 electrons are over. 55th electron in cerium enters in 4f orbital. 4f orbital is the most suitable for 55th electron. And when 56th electron has to come, then 56th electron finds that 4f orbital is not suitable. More than that, 5d orbital is suitable. 57th electron finds no 4f orbital, no 5d orbital, 6s orbital is suitable. Are you following what I am saying? Now last electron, 58th electron finds 6s orbital suitable. It is reality based. So electronic configuration for cerium, xenon 4f1 5d1 6s2. Here energetics depends upon penetration ability. Energetic depends upon position of the orbital. Energetic depends upon nuclear charge. Energetics depends upon shielding effect. So whatever real energetics is there for cerium, for first electron 4f orbital, for after xenon means 55th electron 4f orbital, 56th electron 5d orbital, 57th and 58th 6s orbital. After cerium, next element is praseodymium. For praseodymium, again energetics is different. What is the situation? See, up to xenon 54 electrons. For 55th electron 4f orbital is suitable. So 4f 1 electron now. For 56th electron again 4f orbital is suitable. So 4f 2 now. For 57th electron again 4f orbital is suitable. So 4f 3 now. For 58th electron 5d orbital is not suitable. 6s orbital is suitable. And for 59th electron 6s orbital is suitable. So what is observed electronic configuration for praseodymium? Xenon 4f3 5d0 6s2. Are you getting this point? Likewise, neodymium 4f4, promedium 4f5, samarium 4f6. Let us discuss samarium case. Samarium means which image was there? A living thing. Sam was there. And related to Sam, what was a non-living thing? Can was there. Can. So can means C means 6. A no number. N 2. 62 is atomic number for samarium. So for samarium electronic configuration how occurs? Up to xenon 54 electrons are over. 55th electron enters in 4f orbital. 56th 4f orbital. 57th 4f orbital. 58th 4f orbital. 59th 4f orbital. 60 4f orbital. So now in 4f orbital 6 electrons are there. For 61st electron 5d is not suitable. 6s is suitable. And for last electron, 62nd electron, 6s. So what electronic configuration for samarium? Xenon 4f6 5d0 6s2. Are you getting this point? For gadolinium, what is electronic configuration? Gadolinium atomic number 64. After xenon means after 54 electron, 55th electron 4f orbital, 56 4f orbital, 57 4f orbital, 58 4f orbital, 59 4f orbital, 60 4f orbital, 61 4f orbital. So in 4f orbital, how many electrons are here? 7 electrons are here. 62 electron enters in 5d orbital. 63 electron enters in 6s orbital. And last 64 6s orbital. So what is electronic configuration for gadolinium? Xenon 4f7 5d1 6s2. Next element is terbium. There what happens? Energy level of 4f is most suitable. So all first 9 electrons enters in 4f orbital. In d orbital there is no electron, and s orbital there are 2 electrons. So for terbium, electronic configuration xenon 4f9 5d0 6s2. Likewise, if we continue up to ytterbium, for ytterbium, in f orbital there are 14 electrons. In d orbital there is no electron. S orbital, 6s orbital, 2 electrons. Now last element, lutetium. What is its electronic configuration? Xenon 4f14 5d1 6s2. How can you remember this observed electronic configuration? Previously, what was the rule we applied? In that, one change is there. In spite of 57, you have to subtract 56, and those many electrons will be there in f orbital. What is our rule? Atomic number minus 56. Those many electrons in 4f orbital, 5d no electron, and 6s 2 electrons will be there. Just example. Promedium. Promedium, what was the image we considered for the promedium living image? Yes, Prime Minister. And related to Prime Minister, which was the non-living thing? Yes, calendar was there. Calendar means what will be the number? C means 6, A has no number, L means 1. Yes, 61 is atomic number for promedium. So what is our rule? 61 minus 56. Answer is 5. Electrons will be there in 4f orbital. In 5d, no electron, and 6s, there will be 2 electrons. So what is electronic configuration for promedium? Xenon 4f5 5d0 6s2. Now let us think about the element with atomic number 68. 68. Which element was there with atomic number 68? 68. C, B. Cb means, what was our imagination for Cb? Yes, non-living thing. Cab was there. Cab. And related to cab, what was their living thing? Ear was there. Red ear was there, if you remember. So ear. Related to ear, what was the element? Erbium, right. Erbium, atomic number 68. So how can write electronic configuration? 68 minus 50. So in f orbital, there will be 12 electrons. So xenon 4f10 5d0 6s2 is electronic configuration for erbium. Likewise, we can write the electronic configuration for what the other lanthanoids. Here, lanthanum is exception, cerium is a second exception where electrons are there in d orbital. Lanthanum, cerium, gadolinium and lutetium, their electrons are there. 1 electron is there in d orbital, 2 electrons in 6s orbital, and remaining electrons in 4f orbital. Except these 4, if we apply such rule to other lanthanoids, we will get electronic configuration. Observed electronic configuration for all lanthanoids is represented here. So students, now if electronic configuration is clear to us, let us discuss the properties of lanthanoids. So in next part, we will discuss oxidation states of lanthanoids.